Let's learn how to change the input field tab order on our contact form. Now if you've made a custom form, you may see the following results. Let's click on the first input field, press tab, and instead of going to phone, it goes directly down to email. Press tab again, it goes up to phone, down to country, and then finally to submit. Now that we know what an improper tab order looks like, let's go into WebEasy and fix it. The first thing we need to do is open the inspector tool. We'll click on the icon here or press Ctrl K. Let's go over to the Layers tab. And now we can see all the layers in our current page. Each item in the page will have its own distinct layer. If we want to set the tab order of our contact form, we'll need to find all the layers associated with the input fields, buttons, and the container of our contact form. The easiest way to find the layers associated with our form is to actually click on the items themselves. And once you click on them, it'll highlight under the type column. You can go through each one and find out where they are in the layers list. The first item we need to find is the form container because every input field needs to be above the form container on the layers list. Once we find the container, we can go ahead and look for the first input field, which is name. And name is already in the proper order, so let's go on to the next one, which is phone. And as we can see, phone is not in the proper order. Phone needs to come down one on the layers list. In order to do that, we'll need to go to the bottom of this list and click on the icon with a blue square in front of a yellow square. This will move the phone input field down one on the layers list. And now the phone input field is in the proper order. Let's go on to email. Email is correct. So is country, and so is submit. Now we can go ahead and preview the page to make sure we fix the problem. Select the first input field, press tab, and it goes to phone, email, country, and submit, all in the proper order.